Welcome to Trigonometric Ratios Transformations, Part 21. So let us solve some more problems from the exercise 6F. Long answer type questions, very, very important questions for your exam point of view. Look at this. If ABC are angles in a triangle, then prove that sin A plus sin B plus sin C is equal to 4 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2. Sin A plus sin B minus sin C is equal to 4 sin A by 2 sin B by 2 cos C by 2. If you take third minus and cos A cos B cos C, 1 plus 4 sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. Cos A plus cos B minus cos C is minus 1 plus 4 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 sin C by 2. Now let us take a first bit. Sin A plus sin B sin C, 4 cos A cos B cos C by 2. Now let us take that one. First bit left hand side. Left hand side, sin A plus sin B plus sin C. Sin A plus sin B plus sin C. Now, adding this to sin C plus sin D formula. 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Using this formula, this is 2 sin A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2 plus sin C as it is. Now, since ABC are angles in a triangle, A plus B plus C is 180 degrees and A by 2, B by 2, C by 2 is 180 by 2 is 90 degrees. Now A plus B plus A plus B by 2 is equal to 90 minus C by 2. Now taking sine both sides, sine A plus B by 2 is sine 90 minus C by 2 is cos C by 2. 90 sine changes to cos and 90 minus C belongs to first quadrant. So first quadrant all are positive. So this taking this and writing cos C by 2 in place of sine A plus B by 2. This becomes, so write sine A plus B by 2 as cos C by 2 and remaining same. So 2 cos C by 2 remaining cos A minus B by 2 plus sin C. So write sin C as 2 sin C by 2 cos C by 2. 2 sin C by 2 cos C by 2. Sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. Again, sin theta is equal to sin 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So using this formula, so sin C becomes 2 sin C by 2 cos C by 2. Okay. Now taking cos C by 2 cos C by 2 common. 2 cos c by 2 common. Cos a minus b by 2 will remain. Here sin c by 2 will remain. Sin c by 2. Now a plus b plus c is 180. A plus b plus c is 180 and a plus b by 2 plus c by 2 is 90 degrees. A plus b plus c dividing with 2. So c by 2 is equal to 90 minus a plus b by 2. So taking sine both sides. So sin c by 2 is equal to sin 90 minus a plus b by 2 is sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, cos a plus b by 2. So in place of sin c by 2, write cos a plus b by 2. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So this is equal to 2 cos c by 2. This as it is. So only sin c by 2 replace cos a plus b by 2. Sin c by 2 no cos a plus b by 2 ga marchali. Cos a plus b by 2 in place of sin c by 2. ఎందుకంటే ఇది a plus b plus c 180 ఆఫ్ చేస్తే a by 2 b by 2 c by 2 90 c by 2 is equal to 90 minus a plus b by 2. So sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Now this is cos a plus b plus cos a minus b formula undi. So that is equal to 2 cos c by 2. ఇది 2 cos a cos b ఫార్ములా. ఇక్కడ యాంగిల్ a by 2 b by 2 ఉంది కాబట్టి దిస్ ఈజ్ cos 2 cos a by 2 cos b by 2. Therefore 2 into 2 4. a b c యాంగిల్ ఆర్డర్లో రాస్తే cos a by 2 cos b by 2 cos c by 2. This is the required answer. Left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence it is proved. Now let us take up second bit. Sin a sin b minus sin c. Sin a plus sin b minus sin c. ఇక్కడ మైనస్ తీసుకుంటున్నాం అంతే తేడా. ఇంతకుముందు 3 ప్లస్లు ఉన్నాయి, ఇప్పుడు ఒకటి మైనస్. 4 sin cos అవుతుంది ఆన్సర్. 4 sin a by 2 sin b by 2 cos c by 2 అవుతుంది. ఇంతకుముందు 3 కాస్లు వచ్చినాయి, ఇప్పుడు 2 సైన్లు ఒక కాస్ వస్తుంది. ఓకే, నౌ let us take left hand side. Sin a plus sin b. ఇవి sin c plus sin d యాడ్ చేస్తే డైరెక్ట్గా రాస్తున్నాను నేను. 2 sin a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2 sin c plus sin d ఫార్ములా మైనస్ sin c ఇంతకుముందు రాసినట్టు ఇది 2 sin c by 2 cos c by 2. ప్రీవియస్ ప్రాబ్లంలో రాసిందే సేమ్ స్టెప్, నో చేంజ్. ఓన్లీ ఇక్కడ మైనస్, ఇంతకుముందు ప్లస్ ఉంది, ఇప్పుడు మైనస్, నో చేంజ్. సో sin a plus b by 2 ఏమవుతుంది, ఇది cos c by 2 అవుతుంది. Sin a plus b by 2 is Sin 90 minus c by 2, that is cos c by 2 అవుతుంది. సో 2 ఇది cos c by 2 cos a minus b by 2 as it is minus 2 sin c by 2 cos c by 2. ఇక్కడ 2 cos c by 2 కామన్ తీస్తే 2 cos c by 2 కామన్ తీస్తే cos a minus b by 2 cos వెళ్తే sin c by 2 మిగులుతుంది. sin minus sin c by 2 will remain. sin c by 2 అంటే sin c by 2 sin c by 2 is equal to sin 90 minus a plus b by 2, that is cos a plus b by 2. sin 90 minus theta అంటే cos a plus. సో sin c by 2 ప్లేస్లో cos a plus b by 2ను మళ్ళీ మనం రాస్తే ఇది 2 cos c by 2 cos a minus b by 2 minus sin c by 2, write it as cos a plus b by 2. సో ఇది cos a minus b minus cos a plus b ఫార్ములా రూపంలో ఉంది. cos a minus b minus cos a plus b is 2 sin a sin b. సో బ్రాకెట్ ఏమవుతుంది 2 sin a sin b, కానీ ఇక్కడ యాంగిల్ a by 2 b by 2 ఉంది కాబట్టి sin a by 2 sin b by 2 అవుతుంది. సో ఇది ఫార్ములా 2 into 2 4 sin first a angle b angle c, so sin a by 2 sin b by 2 cos c by 2, this is RHS, LHS is equal to RHS, hence it is proved. So first and second bits almost same, sin a plus sin b plus sin c. So third bit cos third one cos a plus cos b plus cos c. Cos a cos b plus cos c is equal to 1 plus 4 sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. 1 plus 4 sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. Now let us take left hand side. So use cos c plus cos d formula. Cos c plus cos d 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Same formula. Here in place of CD, AB is there. Therefore, this is 2 cos a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2 and plus cos c is there. So cos c, right, cos 2 theta is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So this is 1 minus 2 sin square c by 2. So this is cos theta value. Cos theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. So using this one. So cos c becomes 1 minus 2 sin square c by 2. Now let us convert a plus b by 2. ABC are angles of triangle cos a plus b by 2 can be written as cos 90 minus c by 2, that is equal to cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So write sin c by 2 in place of cos a plus b by 2 ante sin c by 2 avutundi. Therefore 2 cos a plus b by 2 is sin c by 2, remaining as it is, remaining no change, minus 2 sin square c by 2, 1 I am writing last then. So take 2 sin c by 2 common, 2 sin c by 2 common, cos a minus b by 2 will remain. Here 1 sin c by 2 will remain and plus 1. Again in place of sin c by 2, cos a plus b by 2. Same reverse. మళ్ళీ sin c by 2 ప్లేస్ లో cos a plus b by 2 రాయాలి. ఇక్కడ ఇది సేమ్ sin c by 2 అంటే cos a plus b by 2, remaining same, 2 sin c by 2. So 2 sin c by 2. ఇది రెండు డిఫరెన్స్ cos a minus b minus cos a plus b, 2 sin a sin b. ఇక్కడ a by 2 b by 2 కాబట్టి యాంగిల్ sin a by 2 sin b by 2 అవుతుంది. మల్టిప్లయింగ్ 2 into 2 4 sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2 plus 1. So this is the required answer, RHS. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS, hence it is proved. Almost similar procedure. Now let us take up fourth bit. Cos a cos b minus cos c. Cos a plus cos b minus cos c, that is equal to minus 1 plus 4 cos sin. Cos and sin c by 2. Now let us take up LHS. Left hand side, take cos c plus cos d formula. So here a b are there, cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2, here a plus b by 2, cos c minus d by 2, a minus b by 2. So cos c, convert cos c as 1 minus 2 sin square. Here cos c is 1 minus 2 sin square c by 2. So this is cos c formula. Again cos a plus b by 2, converting cos a plus b by 2 is cos 90 minus c by 2, that is sin c by 2. So this is sin c by 2. Okay. Now cos a plus b by 2 sin c by 2, right? 2 sin c by 2 cos a minus b by 2, minus into minus, ఇది -1 plus 2 sin square c by 2, minus into minus plus. So 2 sin c by 2 common తీస్తే 2 sin c by 2 cos a minus b by 2 plus sin c by 2, ఈ -1 I am writing last. Sin c by 2 అంటే cos a plus b by 2. Again replacing sin c by 2, sin c by 2 cos a plus b by 2, remaining as it is. ఇంతకుముందు ఇది తేడా ఏం లేదు, ఓన్లీ ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ ఉంది, ఇంతకుముందు మైనస్ వచ్చింది. అయితే ఈ రెండు ప్లస్ చేస్తే కాస్ ఏ ప్లస్ బి కాస్ ఏ మైనస్ బి, ఇదేమవుతుందంటే మైనస్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఏమో 2 సైన్ ఏ సైన్ బి అవుతుంది, ప్లస్ ఏమో 2 కాస్ ఏ కాస్ బి అవుతుంది. సో ఇక్కడ యాంగిల్ ఏబి ఉంటే ఏబి, ఏ బై 2 బి బై 2 ఉంది కాబట్టి కాస్ ఏ బై 2 కాస్ బి బై 2 అవుతుంది. 2 సైన్ సి బై 2. సో 2 into 2 -1 as it is ఉంటుంది, 2 into 2 4 sin cos a by 2 cos b by 2 sin c by 2 -1. So ఇది required answer. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. సో ఇక్కడ అన్ని ఎగ్జాంపుల్ అండ్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ సిమిలర్గా మైనస్ ప్లస్ తేడా ఉంటే ఎలా చేయాలో ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తున్నా, మీకు ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది ఎగ్జామ్లో ఇవి చేయడానికి. ఎన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఎక్కువ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే మీకు అంత ఈజీగా ఇవి చేసుకోవచ్చు. లెట్ us take one more problem. If ABC or a plus b plus c is equal to 90 degrees, then show that ఇంతకుముందు a plus b plus c 180, ఇప్పుడు a plus b plus c 90 అని ఇచ్చిండు కండిషన్. ఇంతకుముందు a plus b ABC యాంగిల్స్ ఆఫ్ ట్రయాంగిల్ అన్నా a plus b plus c 180 అన్నట్టు. Now the condition is a plus b plus c is 90 degrees. The condition is difference. Here the condition is very, very important. So the first bit sin square a, sin square b, sin square c. Sin square a plus sin square b plus sin square c is equal to 1 minus 2 sin a sin b sin c. 1 minus 2 sin a sin b sin c. And second bit also sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c. Sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c. 4 cos A, cos B, cos C. Cos A, cos B, cos C. Now let us take up first bit. First bit left side. Sin square A plus sin square B plus sin square C. Sin square A plus sin square B plus sin square C. And prove right side answer. Now convert sin square A as 1 minus cos square A, remaining no change. Now take minus common, cos square A minus sin square B. Taking minus common from this 2. So cos square A minus sin square B is cos A plus B, cos A minus B formula. This is cos A plus B, cos A minus B formula. Sin square C as it is. Cos square A minus sin square B ante cos A plus B, cos A minus B. Now convert A plus B plus C is 90 degrees, that is pi by 2, that is 90 degrees. A plus B is equal to 90 minus C. So cos A plus B is equal to cos 90 minus C, that is sin C. So ikkada condition, intaku mundu condition A plus B plus C 180. So now the condition is A plus B plus C is 90. So for 90 minus cos changes to sin or sin changes to cos. 180 unte no change. 180 minus theta, cos 180 minus cos, sin 180 minus sin. అందుకే కండిషన్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. క్వశ్చన్ సేమ్ ఉండొచ్చు కానీ కండిషన్ మారితే ఈ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్ అనేది మారుతుంది. sin to cos, cos to sin. Here 1 minus inside bracket cos A plus B ఏమవుతుంది, sin C అవుతుంది. And remaining same cos A minus B plus sin square C. sin C ని ఇందులో నుంచి మళ్ళీ కామన్ తీస్తే is equal to 1 minus sin C కామన్ తీస్తే ఇక్కడ cos A minus B ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ మైనస్ sin C కామన్ తీయడం వల్ల ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ ఏమవుతుంది, మైనస్ అవుతుంది. మైనస్ sin C. ఒక సైన్ స్క్వేర్లో నుంచి ఒకటి బయటకు వచ్చింది. మైనస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ ప్లస్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే రైట్. 1 మైనస్ sin C, మళ్ళీ sin C అంటే cos A plus B. అగైన్ ఈ sin C అంటే cos A plus B అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ మళ్ళీ సేమ్ ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం. రివర్స్ cos A plus Bని sin C గా రాసాము. ఇప్పుడు sin Cని cos A plus B గా రాస్తుంది. సో దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 మైనస్ sin C. ఇది ఏ cos A minus B మైనస్ cos A plus B. డిఫరెన్స్ ఏమవుతుందంటే 2 sin A sin B అవుతుంది. ప్లస్ అయితేనేమో 2 cos A cos B అవుతుంది. మైనస్ అయితే 2 sin A sin B అవుతుంది. So this is equal to 1 minus 2 sin A, sin B, and sin C. So this is the required answer. Hence it is proved. Now let us take up second one. Second bit. Sin 2A, sin 2B, sin 2C, sin 2A, sin 2B, sin 2C, 4 cos A, cos B, cos C. 4 cos A, cos B, cos C. Condition is A plus B plus C is pi by 2. Now, let us take LHS sin C plus sin D. Sin C plus sin D, 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2 plus sin 2C is 2 sin C cos C. ఇక్కడ sin C plus sin D ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేస్తూ ఉన్నాం. 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2 and sin 2 theta అంటే 2 sin theta cos theta. So we are using these two formulas. So 2 sin theta cos theta ఇది sin 2C అంటే 2 sin C cos C. సో ఇది sin 2A plus sin 2B sin C plus sin D ఫార్ములాతో దీన్ని మార్చాం. నౌ ఇది ఏ 2 కామన్ తీస్తే కట్ అయిపోతుంది. ఇది sin A plus B మిగులుతుంది. ఇది cos A minus B మిగులుతుంది. 2 will get cancel. ఇది 2 sin C cos C as it is. Sin A plus B, sin A plus B అనేది sin A plus B అంటే 90 degrees కాబట్టి 90 minus C is cos C అవుతుంది. సో ఇక్కడ cos C రాస్తే sin A plus Bని cos C గా మారుస్తున్నాం. ఏమైనా ఇవన్నీ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్స్. 2 sin C cos C. సో cos C కామన్ తీస్తే 2 cos C if you take common, then cos A plus B will remain, cos A minus B will remain. Here sin C plus sin C. Now what is sin C? Sin C is equal to sin 90 minus A plus B. A plus B plus C is 90 degrees. This is the given condition. So sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So this is the condition. So ఇక్కడ sin C ని cos A plus B గా మార్చాలి. sin C ని cos A plus B గా మారిస్తే cos C as it is, cos A minus B as it is. So plus sin C, write cos A plus B. So this is cos C, cos A plus A minus B, cos A plus B add చేస్తే 2 cos A cos B మిగులుతుంది. So this is formula. ఇవి రెండు యాడ్ చేస్తే 2 cos A cos B, మైనస్ చేస్తే 2 sin A sin B. So now 2 into 2 4 cos A cos B cos C. So this is the required answer. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence it is proved. Now let us take up one more problem. If ABC are angles of a triangle, that is A plus B plus C is 180 degrees, or angles of a triangle, then prove that first bit sin square A by 2 plus sin square B by 2 minus sin square C by 2 is equal to 1 minus 2 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 sin C by 2. So now solution, take LHS and write sin square A by 2 as 1 minus cos square A by 2, remaining same. Only sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus taking common, this becomes cos square A by 2 minus sin square B by 2 minus same. So this is cos square A minus sin square B is cos A plus B into cos A minus B sin square C by 2. So this is cos A plus B into cos A minus B formula. Cos square A minus sin square B is cos A plus B into cos A minus B. Here A by 2, B by 2. So A plus B by 2, A minus B by 2. Now let us convert this one. ABC are angles of a triangle. So A plus B plus C is 180 degrees. So taking half, A plus B plus C by 2 is 90. A plus B by 2 is 90 minus C by 2. A plus B by 2, C by 2 is 90 minus C by 2. So now taking cos A plus B by 2 is cos 90 minus C by 2. So that is sin C by 2. So writing sin C by 2 in place of cos A plus B by 2. So this is 1 as it is, cos A plus B by 2 sin C by 2. Remaining same, cos A minus B by 2. Here sin square as it is, sin square C by 2. So now let us take sin C by 2 sin common, minus sin C by 2 taking common, cos A minus B by 2 will remain, minus into minus plus, and sin c by 2 will remain in second term. So this is sin c by 2. Again, converting sin c by 2 is cos a plus b by 2. So writing reverse, in place of sin c by 2, write cos a plus b by 2. Same, sin c by 2 is cos a plus b by 2. Cos a plus b by 2 is cos 90 minus c by 2 sin c by 2. Again, writing back and remaining same, cos a minus b by 2 minus sin c by 2 and 1. All are same. Now, this is cos a minus b plus cos a plus b, 2 cos a cos b, angle a by 2 b by 2, so 2 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 minus sin c by 2. So therefore this is 1 minus cos a by 2 cos b by 2 sin c by 2. 1 minus 2 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 sin c by 2. This is the required answer. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence it is proved. Now let us take up one more question. Same, if ABC are angles in a triangle, that is a plus b plus c is 180 degrees, then prove that cos square a by 2 cos square b by 2 cos square c by 2 is equal to 2 into 1 plus sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. Now let us take left hand side, cos square a by 2 cos square b by 2 cos square c by 2. Write first term as it is. In place of second term, you write 1 minus sin square b by 2. Cos square as 1 minus sin square, and last term same. In first step we are writing cos square b by 2 as 1 minus sin square b by 2. Only this one. I am writing 1 first. Next, cos square a by 2 minus sin square b by 2 together, and cos square c by 2 as it is. So this is cos a plus b cos a minus b. So this is cos a plus b into cos a minus b. Here a by 2 b by 2, so a plus b by 2 a minus b by 2. So this is cos square c by 2 as it is. Now convert a plus b plus c is 180 degrees. So now a plus b plus c is 180. So a plus b plus c by 2 is 180 by 2, 90 degrees. So now a plus b by 2 cos a plus b by 2 is equal to cos 90 minus c by 2, that is sin c by 2. So a plus b plus c is 180 degrees. So dividing by 2, that is 90. Cos a plus b by 2 is sin c by 2. Now writing cos a plus b by 2 as sin c by 2 and remaining same cos a minus b by 2 plus cos square c by 2 can be written as cos square is 1 minus sin square. Cos square is 1 minus sin square. Now 1 plus 1 becomes 2 sin c by 2 cos a minus b by 2 minus sin square c by 2. Now taking sin c by 2 common, sin c by 2 cos a minus b by 2, 1 sin c by 2 will remain, square is there. So 2 plus sin c by 2 cos a minus b by 2 as it is. Sin c by 2, again writing sin c by 2 as cos a plus b by 2. ఇక్కడ మనం రాసాం cos a plus b by 2 అంటే cos 90 minus c by 2 sin c by 2. Same, we are writing sin c by 2 in place of sin c by 2 cos a plus b by 2. So ఇది cos a plus b by 2. ఇది మైనస్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది, a minus b cos a plus b అంటే 2 sin a sin b. ఇక్కడ a by 2 b by 2 ఉంది కాబట్టి this is 2 sin a by 2 sin b by 2 remaining as it is. Now this is equal to 2 plus this is 2 sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. Taking 2 common, this is 1 plus sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. So this is the required answer. Therefore, left side is equal to right side, hence it is proved. So these are very, very important questions for your exam point of view. So keep watching regularly from the beginning, first part to last part, so that you will get the concepts intact. It will be easy for you to understand if you watch them from one to last. Don't miss any part, so that you will be able to understand, you will be able to follow the content. So prepare your notes, do practice, more practice, you become more perfect. So practice makes man perfect. So mathematics, after all, it is depends on your practice. If you practice more, you will be perfect, you will become more confident. So keep watching all the videos and prepare the notes and practice the long problems more number of times, then it will be easy for you. So don't forget to subscribe this channel. All the videos are free for you. So do subscribe and press the bell button. You will receive regular notifications. Thank you for watching.